If your summer plans include a backyard bash or packing up the camper, you'll want to make sure food safety is at the top of your to-do list. Cleveland Clinic's Dr. Baruch Fertel says bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli thrive in warm weather.
So when the temperatures are up, items are left out. It's just a better medium for these bacteria to thrive, and that's why we will see people that are affected more by these diarrheal illness, commonly known as food poisoning.
Most foodborne illness can be prevented using 4 main points: clean, separate, cook, and chill. First, be sure surfaces are clean. Then, keep items separate to avoid cross-contamination.
When you have poultry or you're cooking on the grill and you've got meat, ground beef, things like that, don't keep them near fresh fruits and vegetables. Whatever plate you use to prepare your meat, that should go and be either in the dishwasher or disposed.
Next, all poultry and meat should be cooked thoroughly. A meat thermometer can be used to check that the inside temperature is safe. Finally, cold food should be chilled under 40 degrees and hot foods warmer than 140 degrees. And be careful how long food is left out.
Generally, in normal temperatures, about 2 hours, they should go back in the fridge. If something's been sitting out for 2 hours, you probably shouldn't eat it afterwards. But when the temperatures go above 90, experts recommend an hour or less.
At Cleveland Clinic, I'm Erica Foreman.